I'm Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this is Fun with Photos. Randy Cassingham is the author of This Is True. He's been doing that on the internet since 1994, but he's also the author of residentialcruising.com, which is where we learned about this. So we interviewed him. Okay, so this is on our channel, Randy Cassingham on This Is True. And there was lots of comments, and I noticed this one that asked, does this auto translate into German? Aha, that sounded like a challenge.
Yeah.
Yes. Watch this. First of all, you can get closed captions in German. So first I have turned closed captions on by just clicking on this CC. So it's playing here.
This is true by Randy Cassingham.
And closed captions is on. Now I can click on settings and subtitles. That's what closed captions are also known as, subtitles. English auto-generated. Click on the little arrow at the end of there. Click on auto translate, and I can make it be German.
2008. Every week I enjoy Randy's offbeat news items. They make me think and often make me laugh. Sometime last year he started a news site called residentialcruising.com.
So is that cool or what? If you are a native German speaker, this is going to help your understanding of our video a lot. But wait, there's more. I can actually make Jim be speaking German. Now, not in his voice.
Yet.
I'll bet you that's coming. So watch this. I can click on settings and audio track. Notice that it says English original. If I click on that arrow, I can make it speak. I can make the audio be in German.
Dass eine Kabine auf dem Kreuzfahrtschiff Villa V Odyssey gekauft hat und nun an Bord lebt und arbeitet. Ich wusste, dass Chris daran interessiert sein würde, also habe ich ihr die Information geschickt. Oh ja, sie gefiel ihr so gut, dass sie das Unternehmen kontaktierte und einen einwöchigen Aufenthalt an Bord vereinbarte, um es sich anzusehen. Wir lernten Randy und Kit Cassingham kennen.
Now, it's not just Tim. I can make... Now, it does not change voices. So here is Randy.
Well, it does change gender voices sometimes.
I am just so fascinated. Yeah, and where I talk in here somewhere. Let me see if I can get a place where I'm talking.
Und viele unserer Follower kennen ihn bereits, weil sie ihm folgen.
Oh, it does. It didn't last time I tried this. It was still in a mail.
Tro.com hat seit 1994 den Titel "Sich wöchentlich über schlechte Entscheidungen lustig machen".
Wow. Wow. Now, this is brand new. So it doesn't work for all videos, I think.
And it doesn't look like they're going back and making any old ones do this. Depending on your channel, some channels have this turned on. I'm sure they've been working with it for a while. Just like closed captions, they don't always work.
Let's see if we can get our friend Ron Brown to speak in Spanish. His videos are on the channel called Tech for Senior. So I'm going to find a video and play it. Learning AI, good stuff. And we hear him speaking in English. Now I want closed captions on. You do that by just clicking on the little CC. And then the captions are in English, but I want the captions in Spanish. It's called subtitles. You click on the subtitles and auto translate, and then find the language you want.
This week in episode 2, we're going to talk about prompts.
The subtitles are now in Spanish. I want to hear him speak in Spanish, however. That's a setting called audio track. I click on the settings, and audio track isn't there. This is on the Tech for Senior channel. So I wanted to try uploading his same video to the Geeks On Tour channel, see if it made a difference. I go to the Geeks On Tour channel, and to see the video of his that I uploaded, I need to go to my YouTube studio and content. And here is that same video. I can play it.
Tech for Senior.
I can turn on the
AI
closed
and
captions.
the over 50. Well, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in something about AI. Now, AI can be very confusing. There's so many choices.
And YouTube has remembered my setting to make the closed captions be in Spanish. Now let's see if we can make the audio be in Spanish. Settings, and there is the audio track. Setting, I click on it and choose Spanish.
Empecemos. Ahora bien, tengo previsto publicar cada uno de estos videos aproximadamente una vez por semana.
Hey Ron, you're speaking Spanish. So what's the difference? Playing it on one channel doesn't work on the other. There's a setting. So I'll go back to my YouTube studio. Here is that video. If I scroll down, I'm looking for a setting called auto dubbing. And it's right there, automatic dubbing. I'll betcha on if Ron goes to his video settings on his channel, that option just won't even be there. It's something that YouTube is just giving to random channels. We had nothing to do with asking for it. But if perchance you do have that setting, turn it on. Just one more thing to show you is just how to turn this on a phone. So this is my Android. This is the Geeks On Tour YouTube studio, and here is a video by Huey. The only thing that's different is that the settings button is up on the top rather than down on the bottom. And I can change the captions, no problem. The audio track, I can make Huey speak French.
Vous pouvez absolument emporter des chargeurs portables dans les avions et ils sont en fait fortement recommandés dans votre bagage à main.
Is that cool or what? Now, just one other thing to know. Assuming you do have that setting and you turn it on and you upload a video, it takes a few minutes, sometimes as much as a couple hours, both for the closed captions language controls and especially for the audio. So if it doesn't work right away, when you find that setting, don't give up, just wait a little while. But this is just amazing stuff. I'm Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour.